All right, today's February 5th, and I'm just doing a quick review on all the body plug locations. So here's the first one. There's another one on the other side, right there. So that's under the seat. And then another one is hiding, um, which is it's inside the rear window towards um, this wall right here. So if you get a light, shine it inside, you can see that plug. Rubber plug right there. So there's two of them, one there and then one on the other side. And those are the four that come with the kit. So there's the four rubber plugs, and the other remaining plastic ones on the wheel well. You got two here, and one in the back there, and then one behind the wheel well underneath the trunk. Right there. So, and then same one on the other side too as well. And then two more front. Cowl there. And then same one on the other side. And these come in different kit. They don't come with the 8. The 12. The package is 12, and then you have to buy ones on the cowl separately. And then last but not least is the rocker panel ones that are right here. So they plug in here, and there's a hole, and there's another one on the other side. And that's it for the plugs. So again, there's 3 kits I bought. So these are the cowls. Those are here. And then the package of 12, the plug set. And then last but not least is the rocker panel ones. That's it.